So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're gonna see how you can add the fade in and fade out effects on all your audios using Audacity software. If you don't know, Audacity software is a very good software in order to edit the audios or any type of audio file which is MP3 or MOV. So all you have to do is to just simply open the download and open the Audacity software. It's an open source software, so it is available for free. Once you download and open it, will open something like this. When you see this window, you have to double click on anywhere, or you have to click on the option of file at the top left window, and you'll see an option of open. When you click on this option, for sake of example, I am opening this file. You can browse and open any file you want. Like this, I opened this audio file. You can see all the audio file has been the track of the audio file is visible right in front of me. Now in order to add the fade in and fade out effect, just simply for select the area in which you want to apply the effect. For example, if I select this much of area, then now or if you want to select all the areas, just simply hit Ctrl+A on your keyboard and all the area has been selected. Okay, now all you have to do is to just simply click on the button of effect at the top window. You can see just right there, click on this option, and then you will see an option of fading over there. You can see just right there. When you click on this option, you will see an option of fade in. When you click this, you can see the fade in effect has been added to the audio. You can see the change in the timeline as well. And to add the fade out effect, you have to just go to the option of fade out. When you click there, you can see the audio has been starting and ending with a nil sound, so it gives a very good and immersive fade in and fade out effects to all your audios. So by this method, you can easily add fade in and fade out effect to your audios. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.